I'm shooting this on my cell phone. Let me just say that. I'm shooting this on my cell phone. I am not on my DSLR. I just wanted to show you guys before I get started doing stuff to my face and to my hair that this is the blank canvas that we're working with here. All right, hold on. Let's back up a little bit. Hi, I'm Champagne. And I create hair and beauty content here on YouTube. I love this foundation. Like most of us, I've had a pretty insane year.
Fire catastrophe in Australia.
This is a global pandemic.
Kobe Bryant has been killed.
Thousands have gathered to show solidarity with...
Across the country, over 113,000 Americans are hospitalized.
In addition to all of the chaos that 2020 decided to shell out this year, I also found out that I would soon be getting a new title, Mom.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright.
I've always said whenever I get pregnant, I'm going to take one of those super glam and dramatic maternity photos. You know the ones. But since we're in a pandemic, I figured it wouldn't be very practical for me to hire a professional photographer to take my maternity photos. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and DIY my own. The video you're about to watch is my attempt at recreating this iconic maternity photo of Shay Mitchell. Okay, I know, I said a lot of words there, but now you're all caught up, so keep watching and see how it turned out. Going on 9 months pregnant, I am tired. I look a mess. My skin is misbehaving. My hair, let's not even discuss it. So this is what I look like right now. I wanted to show you guys what I'm starting with because I am about to do a pretty epic transformation if I can pull it off. So first things first, I'm gonna beat this mug. And then I will show you guys how I prep. Oh my God, you guys, look at my eyebrows. Oh, I look terrible. I don't know if this is gonna work. I feel like this video is gonna be a fail. We're gonna try, we're gonna do our best. We're gonna see what happens. I will be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay, so makeup is done-ish. I still need to do my lips. I need to tackle this hair because it looks like a disaster bird's nest on the top of my head. Then I will set up our set and then finally we'll start shooting. I started at like 11. It is now, can't show you my phone because I'm filming on my phone, 1:28 p.m. So yeah, let's hop into the hair. Okay, so face is on to the best of my ability. I've done the best that I can to do a Shay Mitchell mock-up of her amazing makeup in that photo. Oh my God. This took me probably like 2 hours. For my hair, I'm just gonna fucking wing it. Like it looks like, oh. So my hair is washed and detangled. It's just, well, it's probably undetangled itself now because I've had it in a bun. What I'm gonna do now is try to just do like a quick top knot, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just a really quick like top knot situation. I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water because her top knot looks like real professional. We'll see if my edges will cooperate. I have not done a top knot in so long. This is what we're gonna do. How far up is her top knot? Like how top is it? Oh, it's really, really high. You see this muscle right here? This is a workout. This is, look, oh, look. I am working myself out doing this right now. And really collect it up here at the top. Oh. Okay, now separate all this hair and then just twist it. And then, there we go. So I think this is it, you guys. I think this is where we're at. Hair, good. Makeup, pretty good. I'm gonna do one more of my setting spray. So now it's time for me to get into wardrobe, which luckily for me is earrings and some sweats. She's not wearing very much in this photo. I'm a little bit more on the modest side, so I don't know, I might throw like, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna test it. Let's see how I feel. So now I'm basically just taking down my backdrop that you guys just saw. I buy these backdrops on Amazon from Savage Paper, I believe. They're like 25 bucks, super cheap. Okay, so my backdrop is down. Now I need to move this thing and get it over to where I want to take the photo, put up my new backdrop, and then take this picture. I don't know why I did this. I don't know. It looked like Shay had like a gray backdrop in her photo. I have a gray, but it's like a concrete like slate gray, so hopefully this will work because this is all I got. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna pop this up. I'm gonna have some more water because my pregnant ass is out of breath, and then finally we'll get to taking these pictures. Okay. Ta-da! Well, not ta-da yet, I'm in the process. So normally you would want to roll this all the way down to the ground. I'm not doing that for two reasons. One, as you guys can see, it's not particularly wide, so I don't have a lot of space to work with, and that's because I normally film hair videos, makeup videos, so my shots are really tight. I'm gonna have to figure out how to manipulate and really like use the space that I have, because I get these like really cheap paper backdrops from Savage, and I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can take a look. But usually I get these, they're like 28 bucks. You can buy a bunch of different colors, but they're not usually super wide. The wider ones I think are like 60, something like that, maybe 70. So the second reason why I didn't roll it all the way down is because, as you guys can tell, my ass is out of breath and has been out of breath since the start of this video, and I do not want to hand roll this thing all the way back up from all the way on the ground. So we're gonna try to work with above floor level because I think in the shot I don't need to get much more than like my belly and like part of the sweats, so I think we'll be okay. I also want to show you guys some other things that I find really helpful. The first one being this universal remote from Amazon that I picked up. This works really well with my Canon Rebel T6i, and pretty much I can just hide it in my hand and take photos. And I set my camera on a timer, so that way I don't have to worry about it clicking automatically and I'm like holding it, but I can kind of hide my hand or hide it in my hand and it'll go off, or toss it. Another thing is this really cool bracket. It's actually something that I use as an attachment on top of my ring light. So I basically just set it up on my ring light like this, and then I can hold my camera up, or I can set my camera up vertically so I can get those really nice vertical shots, those tight shots for Instagram. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is I'm gonna put my bracket on, and then I'm gonna set up my my timer for my remote. So spoiler alert, I am not going to be topless for this. You're welcome, Mom. I do have my bra on for a little bit of modesty, you know, keep something to the imagination. Also because the way that my boobs are acting right now, my third trimester, like who knows, there might be a nipple over here, there might be one down here. We're just not gonna subject anybody to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the shots. So these are the final shots. I am in love with them. I actually edited both of these photos entirely on my phone. So if you guys are interested in a how I edit my photos video, let me know down below in the comment section. I will definitely film that for you guys. Finally, this is my recreation side by side with the original. Shay looks absolutely stunning in this photo. I'm just happy I was sort of able to recreate it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys. And also, let me know what celebrity maternity photo you guys think I should recreate next.